Good morning, friends. Today we start our discussion with the chapter number 3, that is terrestrial ecosystem. So, in the terrestrial ecosystem, we have seen the tundra forest, and the second we are and the second topic we have covered is Indian forest ecosystem. Now, today we are going to see what are the types of forest that present in India. So, in India, we have 16 type of forest. So, our topic for discussion, our chapter is terrestrial ecosystem, and our topic for discussion today is Indian forest types. We have 16 Indian forest types that we are going to discuss this. Okay, see, guys, ours is a diverse country. We have different ecosystems that are found in different places. Like, for example, if you take the Ladakh, so Ladakh we have the alpine pastures. Okay, and if you take the example of the Rajasthan and the Gujarat, there we find the desert, guys. Okay, and if you take the Kerala, there we have evergreen forest. So in different regions of the world, like east, west, north, south, at the center, we have different type of forest ecosystem, guys. Okay, so what makes how these are formed? These are formed because of the climatic conditions that are present over there, the elevation patterns, the topography. Okay, guys. So all those things means all these factors make up them to form such a type of forest at that area. So today we will see today we will see the 8 of the 16 Indian forest type, guys. Okay, if we take the 16 at a once, so we will confuse, guys. So today we will take only 8 and we will discuss those 8 for today's class. Okay, first one we have tropical wet evergreen forest, guys. Tropical wet evergreen forest. So tropical wet evergreen forests are the one which are found at the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, the Western Ghats, and the northeastern region, guys. So in these places we can find this type of forest, that is tropical wet evergreen forest. So these are the tall straight trees, and the below we are having the shrubs, guys. Okay, shrubs and the short trees. Okay, here. So the examples of this type of tropical wet evergreen forest are, we have the jamun, guys. Okay, jamun. Example we have jamun betel. Okay, so examples are the jamun and the betel, etc. So these are the two type. These are the examples that we are having for the tropical wet evergreen forest, guys. Right? Clear? So for every forest, you please try to remember the few characteristics. Like I have said, this tropical wet evergreen forest. So these are the one which are found with the Andaman and the Nicobar, the Western Ghats, and the northeastern regions. So they have the examples like jamun and the betel. Okay, and these are the one which are the tall trees and having these shrubs and the short trees at the base. So this is about the tropical wet evergreen forest. Okay, guys. So now we will move to the second one. Second one is tropical semi evergreen forest. So tropical semi evergreen forest. So tropical semi evergreen forest are the mixture of the tropical wet evergreen forest and tropical moist deciduous forest. So we have the third one as tropical moist deciduous forest. Tropical moist deciduous. So tropical semi-evergreen forest are the mix of 1 and 2. So in this forest they can find the tropical wet evergreen forest and the tropical moist deciduous forest, guys. Okay, these are the tropical semi-evergreen forest. So the places where this type of forest are found are the Andaman and the Nicobar Islands, the Western Ghats, and the Eastern Himalayas, guys. Okay, Eastern Himalayas. So these are the places where we can say the tropical semi-evergreen forest. Okay. Now move to the third one, that is tropical moist deciduous forest. So tropical moist deciduous forest are the one which we can found at the entire India, guys. So we find this type, of forest ecosystem enter India. Okay. So except at the few places, that is in that is at the western and the northwestern islands, we can't find this type of forest, guys. Okay. At the western and the northwestern places, we can't find this type of forest. So except that in other places we can find this type of forest. Okay. So these are having the large trunk, guys. So if you see the trees trunk, it's of very large and the roots of very deep, guys. Okay, deep roots and the large trunk. So the examples of this type are sal, bamboo, rosewood. Okay, so examples of this type of forest are, that is sal, bamboo and the rosewood, guys. Okay, guys, clear? So this is tropical moist deciduous forest. So these are found at the entire India except the western and the northwestern regions, guys. Okay, clear? So now we will see fourth one, that is, so our fourth forest one is, we have littoral and swamp. Littoral and swampy. So guys, we are aware of the definition, that is the littoral and the swampy. So these are the one which are found at the Andaman and the Nicobar Islands and the deltas of the Ganga and Brahmaputra, guys. So we have swamp islands, like the some water is stagnant at the places, guys. So such a type of forest system we have found at the Andaman and the Nicobar Islands and the few places of the deltas of the Ganga and the Brahmaputra, guys. So these are having, so the roots are of the soft tissue, guys, to breathe in the water, guys. So the plants over this forest are having the soft tissue roots to breathe the water in the water, guys. So these are the characteristics of this type of forest ecosystem. And the fifth one, we have tropical dry deciduous. Tropical dry deciduous. So tropical dry deciduous are the one which are found at the northern part of India, guys. The northern part of India. Okay. So these are the one which are found at the northern part of India, except the northeast. Okay, guys, clear? So tropical dry deciduous, these are found in the northern part of India, except the northeastern region. So along with the northern part, we have this type of forest at the Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Andhra Pradesh. So these are found in the Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and the Andhra Pradesh also, guys. Okay. So the tropical dry deciduous forest are the one, so which are found in the northern part of India except the northeastern region, and they also found in the Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Andhra Pradesh. So the examples of these trees are acacia, sal, and bamboo. So this type of forest can be, as the example, we have the acacia, sal, and the bamboo, guys. So these are the one which is about the tropical dry deciduous forest, guys. So these are very, very important topic, guys. So the means like tropical evergreen forest, tropical dry deciduous forest. These are very important for the examination, guys. Okay. So now we will move to the next topic, that is, the next forest system, that is, we have thorny forest. Thorny forest. So thorny forests are the one which are found in the desert regions, guys. So the soil required for this is the black soil. So black soil. So these are found in the black soil, and they are found in the central, the northern, the southern, and the western part of the India, guys. So except the eastern part of India, they are found at the remaining all other places of the India, guys. So the examples of this type of forest are the spruce and cactus. Cactus. So spruce and cactus of this type of forest, guys. Okay. So they are found at the maximum of 10 meters height, guys. 10 meters height. Okay, guys. They are found very at low mean. They are having very low height, guys. Okay, cactus. Guys, clear? So thorny forest, that is are found in the black soil, the central, the north, southern, and the west. Examples are spruce and cactus, and the height is 10 meters, like that. So guys, I forgot to say one point. In the previous, that is tropical dry deciduous forest, the canopy exists is over 25 meters height, guys. So the canopy exists over that place is 25 meters high, and the thorn forest we can find at the 10 meters height. So after this thorn forest, we have the seventh one as tropical dry evergreen forest. Tropical dry evergreen forest. So tropical dry evergreen forest are the ones which are having the features like tropical dry deciduous forest. Means the simple is those are the one which is deciduous. So in this place also we can find the tropical dry deciduous forest, guys. So here tropical dry evergreen forest. So these are the places which are having the rainforest is very high, guys. That is the plants are of the greenery. Okay, guys. So the plants are the trees present over here is the greenery, and we can see the examples of the tropical dry deciduous also, guys. Examples, so we have as acacias and sal and bamboo. So these we can find here also, guys. That is tropical dry evergreen forest. Okay, and the last one we have subtropical broad forest. Right? Subtropical broad forest are the one which are found at the Western Ghats and the Western Ghats and the Himalayan regions, guys. Okay, these are the one which are found at the Western Ghats and the Himalayan regions. In the Western Ghats, these trails are they are present at the Silent Valley, guys. That is the near the Kerala. They are present at the Silent Valley. So the grasslands over have the good fragrance, guys. Okay, this is the specialty of this type of forest, subtropical broad forest. So there the forests are having the fragrant, the grasslands are of fragrance, guys, good fragrance. And they are found at the Silent Valley. Silent Valley is found at is the one at the Kerala. Okay, guys. So it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, guys. Okay. So here there are some few issues, guys. So shifting cultivation is practiced over here. So due to that shifting cultivation, the flora is getting disturbed, guys. Okay. So the examples of found here, oak and alder, and the orchards also we are found over here. Okay, the examples of this type of forest are oak, alder, and orchards. So this is about the 8 type of forest ecosystem, that is Indian forest type. We have seen 8 and the remaining 8 we will see in the next class, guys. So today I am going to take the one more topic, guys, for today's discussion, that is deforestation. Deforestation. So in deforestation, we are going to see 3 topics, that is causes of deforestation, effects of deforestation, and solutions. So why? Because deforestation. So the deforestation also very very important, guys. So in the topic, so in the terrestrial ecosystem, we have the topics that is taiga, Indian ecosystem, Indian forest types, desertification, deforestation, grasslands. Okay. After this, I am going to take few current affairs topics. So we have done with the tundra and the Indian forest type. Indian forest ecosystem and the Indian forest types. We have done 8. So among 16, we have done 8, and we will take this topic for today's discussion, guys. That is deforestation. So the deforestation are very very important topic as well, because right now many are making much deforestation, guys. So the causes may be the natural or the man-made. So in this we are going to see the causes, effects and the solutions. So what do you mean by deforestation? Deforestation is nothing but the indiscriminate felling of the trees because of the industrialization, urbanization, and the mining activities, guys. Okay, indiscriminate felling of the trees because of the industrialization, urbanization, and the mining is called as deforestation. So, what are the causes of deforestation? So, deforestation causes, if you take, the first and foremost is the shifting cultivation, guys. So, shifting cultivation is the important cause of the deforestation. What do you mean by shifting cultivation? Shifting cultivation is nothing but, so group of people will take an area in the forest, guys. Okay, so we'll take an area in the forest. So they will cut off those forest trees. Okay, so they will cut off those forest trees, and the vegetation present over there is burnt by the person. So the vegetation will, after burning, they will get the ash. So that will be added to the nutrients, guys. That will be act as a nutrient to the soil, guys. So after that, they will cultivate for 2 to 3 years. So after the cultivation of 2 to 3 years, the land will be abandoned, guys. So they left that land and will move to the some other place. This is known as shifting cultivation. Okay. So at the different places of the world, they call it with different names. So like zoom cultivation, slash and burn cultivation. So these are the names which are given to the shifting cultivation, guys. Okay. So the tools used in the shifting cultivation are the simple basic tools, guys. The why? Because they do the farming for themselves, so not for the commercialization. Okay. So this is the main cause of shifting cultivation. This is the main cause of deforestation. And we have second one, that is economic development. So economic development is required for the country. Like economic development is required for the country. Like we have the roads, railways, okay, ports, and the hydroelectric projects, dams. So these are required for the welfare of the development of the country, guys. But if you see this second side, that it has its environment effect. Like if you take the hydroelectric project, they are having its effects like pollution. Okay, and if you take the ports, the roads and the railways, they are having its effects. Why? Because the much of deforestation takes place in the economic development of the system, guys. Okay, so that is second one. And we have the fuel wood requirement, guys. So from the forest we get the many sources. So as the population is increasing, the fuel wood requirement is much more. So for that required, we are cutting the forest indiscriminately, guys. Okay, and the raw material that we get from the forest will be used in the many industries. Like the paper industry we are using, that will be get from the forest. Like for example, the boxes. Okay, and the very important, guys, some of the plants are very useful as the medicine, guys. Okay, so these are all the so for that purpose also they are getting the forest. Okay, so and the other causes are, we have the bore grazing, indiscriminate use of the land, that is land use planning is not there, and the commercialization, all those things. Okay, these are the few causes of the deforestation. So what are its effects? So it affects the water cycle, guys. That is, I explained in the chapter number 2. That is the water cycle. So groundwater will be spoiled. The water cycle will not take place. It will break the water cycle. And the effects are like so in the mining activities, the more that is huge quantities of the woods are required, guys. That is for drilling purposes. Okay, and we see effects like the pollution, guys. That is like that we are facing right now. Okay, depletion of the groundwater, and we have studies that in future we find very difficult to get the water for drinking purpose also, guys. So in such a way the effects are many, guys. Okay, and solution, if you see, so what best we can do to bring the awareness about the deforestation of the field, all those things. So in like first one we have green business, guys. So green business means nothing but the reuse and recycle of the products which are done in the process. So that is point number one. And eco-friendly. So eco-friendly system should be developed in the country, guys. Okay, and we have community management, the forest management systems. Okay, and the sensitization about the forest and the education about the forest. Okay, guys. So along with this, we bring the small children into the ecosphere friendly, such that from the small kid itself they will know the importance of the forest and they will proceed, guys. Okay, so in such a fashion we can see the conservation efforts, like we have few laws and programs that government is taking. Okay, all those things if you gather and if you do the proper implementation, and yeah, so and the important is the land use planning. So all these things will make us the solution to overcome the deforestation. So these are the about the causes, effects, and the solution, guys. So in the recent days, we have in the current affairs about the deforestation, the Amazon forest has been burnt, guys. Okay, so that is one of the causes of the forest, Amazon forest. Okay, and in the Maharashtra, for the railway shed, they are indiscriminately killing, cutting the forest. Okay, so like that we are seeing many issues, guys, in the current affairs. So with this, I stop the session here, guys, and we left with three more topics. That is the remaining part of the Indian forest type, the grassland, and the desertification. This I will do in the next class. Thank you, one and all.